Trampolines give endless fun for kids who love to play outdoors. Having one around is great for family gatherings or children's parties. It's important to select the best trampoline that features all the key safety components and is very durable so that it'll last for years. If you want to check out some of the most popular trampolines on the market, then you've come to the right place. We have a list of the premium quality trampolines that have garnered a lot of positive reviews. If you're having trouble finding the ideal one, well, join us as we review our favorites. So if you're ready, let's begin. Number 1 on the list is the official Sky Zone by VULY Trampoline. This 14-foot trampoline lets you bring into your own yard the excitement of the Sky Zone Trampoline Park's wall-to-wall aerial action. It's not only constructed to provide the perfect bounce, it also has the tallest safety enclosure on the market today. So it not only provides extreme fun, but also safety. The entire family will definitely love the gravity-defying challenge it brings. It features self-closing doors that provide extra safety and lock in the fun. Without Velcro or zipper, this trampoline guarantees the ultimate protection for everyone, including the most extreme bouncer who wants to reach that extra height. The remarkable trampoline also features plush safety padding, double galvanized steel, and no bolt and nut assembly to ensure the safest possible trampoline. It's tough and ready to go, letting bouncers collide into the wall safely. The 2 spring layers maximize the bouncing motion, while the kick-out frame legs guarantee stability. It uses UV-resistant and heavy-duty polyethylene netting that withstands all weather elements. It measures 14.3 by 14.3 by 9¼ feet, providing plenty of room for everyone to jump around without the fear of falling off. The tight and high netting is also convenient with the entry and exit area, which will prevent you from falling out even if you push against it. At number 2 is the Bounce My First Trampoline. Turn your backyard into the ultimate entertainment zone. This is ideal for entry-level trampoline artists and your little kids. It's designed with safety and quality as the top priorities. It successfully passed all the ASTM criteria with flying colors. It comes with a 3-arch safety enclosure, providing full visibility of children as they bounce up and down. Keeping them safe is a thick woven enclosure with high netting that eliminates the possibility of kids bouncing above it. A zippered 25-inch entry-exit point on the enclosure netting allows kids to slip through easily to go in and out. This trampoline is great for kids of 3 to 10 years of age, with a weight limit of 100 pounds. It works well both indoor and outdoor. It doesn't have the squeaky noise bouncing sounds that are common with some trampolines, which is great if you do decide to use it indoors. The UV-resistant jumping mat and padded spring cover are sewn together to mitigate the contact with springs. It features steel tubing that's galvanized and covered in green plastic casing to ensure extra stability, also eliminating the fear of parents might have that the trampoline will collapse due to vigorous extreme activity. Give your family the gift that brings long-lasting fun and excitement by having this quality Hexagon trampoline with lively colors of green and blue. It's easy to assemble and comes in handy for any type of gathering with your kids in the backyard. That takes care of the first 2 trampolines on our list. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the box below and we'll take a look at them right away. There are also 3 more on our list, so you have more choices to go. If you're not yet part of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you can get instant notifications when we upload a new product review. At number 3 is the Little TIKES Easy Store Folding Trampoline. This is primarily designed for elementary, preschoolers, and toddlers who love to bounce and play. This 84 by 84 by 80 inch trampoline provides a large space that's just perfect for the amount of bounce. The 21.5 square foot bouncing area is made extra durable with premium pad protectors that cover the springs, while the padded high-quality metal frame brings optimum protection for kids. It has a tall mesh netting enclosure on the sides to keep them from bouncing out of bounds while playing. There is also an attached shoe holder. It features an easy folding mechanism that allows you to tuck it away and store it for later use. The patented design of this trampoline lets you fold it single-handedly within 5 minutes. It's also as easy to assemble. There are lockable, sturdy wheels on the base that allow you to move it anywhere you want and maximize the yard space. This 95-pound trampoline can accommodate up to 100 pounds in weight, and it's recommended for outdoor use only. As you know, in November 2006, the Little Tikes became part of the MGA entertainment industry, making their products included in this trampoline available in Asia and Europe. So keep your child healthy and happy by buying this trampoline that'll help them jump high with delight. At number 4 is the 36-inch trampoline from Pure Fun. This mini trampoline comes with an ABC frame that encourages learning while playing. The colorful and attractive padded cover makes bouncing more fun at the same time promoting colors, shapes, and alphabet recognition. With the safety of your child as its first priority, this trampoline is regarded as one of the sturdiest, safest ones on the market. It features an ergonomic inclined safety handlebar with soft cushion to promote comfortable and firm grip. The 30-spring system of this mini trampoline is covered with mesh and cushioning to ensure the security and safety of your kids as they bounce around. The 36 by 36 by 35-inch trampoline can accommodate a 75-pound child. It's ideal for children ages 3 to 7 and who need physical fun and activity to build their stamina, coordination, and balance. The sturdy and durable steel frame provides stability while providing a worry-free playing environment. It's great for outdoor and indoor use because its compact design is a real space saver, letting you put it just anywhere you want in your house or yard. Assembling it is easy and doesn't require any additional tools. The safety of this trampoline is certified by CE, ASTM, and TUV-GS. Well, we have one more product left to review. We hope this has enlightened you with our presentation so that you'll be able to purchase the best trampoline that fits your needs and space. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to watch our other reviews on different products, and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. If there's a product that you'd like to see us review in the future, please leave your comments and suggestions below and we'll take a look as soon as possible. And now let's check out our final trampoline. At number 5 is the MERAX round trampoline featuring basketball hoop. This 14-foot trampoline also aims to provide ultimate fun and safety as your kids enjoy bouncing up and down. It can be used for fitness or entertainment purposes, so having one in your backyard is a wonderful idea. This 14 by 14 by 8.5 foot trampoline will support up to 330 pounds. You can play with your kids and get a dose of essential heart-pumping cardio while enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. It's crafted using a heavy-duty polypropylene. It's a mat that's stitched together seamlessly to promote excellent bounce and a safe environment. The top rails and springs are all designed for fixing the entire unit. The 80 pieces of tightly rolled galvanized steel springs, which are about 5.7 inches long, are coated with rust-resistant agent to ensure long-lasting durability. For added safety and protection, it features 4 U-shaped legs that are assembled with precision under the base to support the optimum weight. It comes with a galvanized steel ladder for more convenient access to the trampoline. Adding to its wonderful features is the basketball hoop for simultaneous jumping and shooting performances. There's also a double-sided zipper closure with a black buckle in the safety net, preventing anyone from falling out. This product is also covered by a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Now that you've seen the 5 best trampolines in the market, it's time for you to choose the right one for you and your kids. Choose wisely according to your budget, preferences, and space. If you're ready to buy now, just click the link of the product of your choice and get it at a great deal delivered right to your doorstep. If you'd like to see anything else featured in the future, just leave it in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant that request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notified when we have more reviews, and join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on our 5 best trampoline review. We'll see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.